Assalamu alaikum. Today's our lecture topic is how to install WordPress on localhost. So let's begin. First of all, we have to download WordPress and any localhost. In our case, we will download XAMPP. Okay. First of all, we will download WordPress. Search it. Open the first link and download the latest version by scrolling down. Download the latest version. You can see it. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it, but you will do it. Okay, guys. Now we will download any localhost. You can see the app download. Simply search it. Open the first link, Apache friends. Now download the latest version. You can see latest version is below. This one. Download it. You can see I already have it, so I will not, but you will do it. So let's move to install XAMPP. I already have. Simply double click on it. It will take time because you can watch it. It is 158 MB. Yes. Wait for a while. Wait until you are waiting. Simply press on OK button. Until you are waiting, just press on subscribe button and as well as bell icon. Okay, guys. So next, don't need to change any. We will go by default XAMPP. If you want to change it, then you can. I will not. English, done. Next and next. It will open website. You simply have to again go to your XAMPP icon below, and next it has been started. It will take time, so I am pausing the video until it will be installed completely. Wait for a while. Almost half completed, but still wait for a while. Additionally, I want to tell you that it will take up to 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so don't worry. Almost completed. So finally XAMPP is installed. So click on finish. Now we will go to our WordPress. We will extract it or just copy it. Okay, we will extract it here. Copy the folder. Copy or cut, it depends on you. I am cutting. Okay, now go to your drive where you have installed XAMPP. I have here XAMPP, and here you can see HT docs documents folder. Click on it and paste your here. Okay, guys, it has been returned. You can change its name as For example, if your website name is e-commerce, then you can change it to e-commerce, add any, it depends on you, no matter. Our all data will be shown here. Okay guys, here our work is finished. Now we will go to our XAMPP application. Okay guys, I'm going here. I have opened XAMPP. Now we need to start Apache and MySQL. First of all, we need to create a database. So let's create database by clicking on MySQL. We will start it. Config, admin पे click. And listen, database name should be same as our folder. Here WordPress, I will write same to same. I'm copying it. You will also do the same. Okay guys, I have copied. It is taking time, so go to database. Here we will paste our name. That was get WordPress create. It's finished. Okay guys, now we will go to back. Here you can see that simply you can visit just search here localhost backslash and your name, database name or folder name which you have been here. Here it was WordPress, so I will type here WordPress and click enter. Sorry, I have here R problem. Enter. You can see WordPress database here. Click on continue. Let's go. Our database name was WordPress, so it will okay. If you have changed the database name, then you will type here as you have typed. Just copy and paste. Folder name and database name should be same. Database and folder name. Okay guys, here we will type here root, username as root and remove password. Don't need to change here. Submit. Run the installation. Here you will type the site name as I'm ecommerce training, username admin. You can change password. I am changing. I will type here admin. Use weak password हो पड़ा कोई बात don't need. Email, write your email here. I am writing any dummy 1234 at gmail.com and install WordPress. It can take some time. Okay, admin password success, or we have created WordPress on our local host. We have installed. Okay, let's login. Admin password and login. So at last you can see we have successfully installed WordPress on our local host. In next lecture we will discuss how to create a website, post, etc.